This is how to make soap with two powerful cleaning agents. My name is Machukuchi Bikem. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, you are welcome. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because we'll be dropping amazing videos on soap making in this channel. Thank you. Let's establish our ingredients for this production. Oil 400 grams, water 200 grams, caustic soda 71 grams, soda ash 50 grams, glycerin. Share the 200 grams of water between the caustic soda and the soda ash. That means you should use the water to mix both the caustic soda and the soda ash. Stir properly until the translucent color turns bright. Then set aside for it to cool down. Add the remaining water to the soda ash and stir very well. Mind you, soda ash takes time to dissolve. Soda ash does not dissolve easily like caustic soda, so you have to stir for a longer time before setting it aside. Let's bring in our oil. Because of the lumps in the caustic soda, we will not pour it directly into the soap. We have to bring a strainer or sieve to sieve the caustic soda. Stir very well until it properly mixes together to form soap batter. If you are interested in learning how to make soap, I have an ebook that I've specially prepared for people that are ready to learn. So if you are ready to learn, check in the description box where you can find the link to the ebook. It's just 3,000 naira only. So if you are interested, just click on the link in the description box and it will take you to the ebook. Thank you. Add soda ash the same way we added the caustic soda. Use the strainer to filter it. Then stir together for it to properly mix. Add glycerin. Then stir together. Mix properly before adding any other ingredient. So our soap is ready, but I want to add something that I did not mention when I was mentioning the ingredient, which is foaming booster. This will help the soap to foam very well. You know, with the palm kernel oil, your soap will lather well. Then when we add foaming booster, it will give us extra lather. That means the soap will foam very well. And this soap will clean tough stains because it is made with two powerful cleaning agents, which is the caustic soda and the soda ash. Soda ash is a cleaning agent, while caustic soda is also a cleaning agent. So when we combine two cleaning agents in soap making, the soap will perform well. Please make sure you clean your turning stick before you put it aside. It's time to pour the soap batter into the mold and allow it to cool down for 6 hours before we will mold it. Know that when you make your own soap, you can leave it for 48 hours or 24 hours before molding. But after you mold it, you have to leave it for 3 weeks before you start selling it or using it. The reason why you have to leave it for 3 weeks is for it to cure properly. And when your soap cures properly, it lathers well. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you. If you know that you want to make soap for commercial purpose and make massive gain, make sure you watch the video that will pop up at the end of this video. So this after 6 hours, we're about to mold our soap. You can see how our soap look. So you can leave it for 48 hours if you remember, or 24 hours before molding. Then leave it for 3 weeks for it to cure. You can also use it like this. Maybe you can start using it from the next day. You can start using it, but it will be ideal if you leave it for 3 weeks because it's a cold processed bar soap. If it's a hot processed soap, you can start using it from the next day. Let's see how it lathers. You can see how the soap lathers. You can see if the soap stays for 3 weeks, it will lather more than this. Thanks for watching this video. If you are my returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for coming back. See you in my next video. Bye.